What's up everyone, today I'm gonna teach you how to draw CJ from Animal Crossing New Horizons. If you are new to this channel, be sure to like, subscribe and comment below. I'm gonna draw on my Wacom tablet, but you can follow my tutorials with any other media that you have, whether it's pencil color, Sharpie or crayon. Now I'm gonna start with drawing his hair in between his forehead, and I'm gonna take this point and draw a teardrop shape right there, and on both sides of the teardrop I'm gonna take this point and draw a semicircle turn to the side and out, and I'm gonna make another semicircle turn back up on the side, and then I'm gonna draw a semicircle line at the top left corner right there and turn it back to the center. And inside of the sunglass, I'm gonna trace the outline. Now I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side as well. Now at the side of the sunglass, I'm gonna draw a curved line downwards to his cheek, and then I'm gonna make a semicircle turn at the cheek right there, and I'm gonna copy the same thing on the right side. At the lower portion, I'm gonna draw across a curved line. Now in the middle of his face, I'm gonna draw a curved line across on top of his snout, and at both sides I'm gonna draw a circle or shape to the center of the snout. I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side. Now for his nose, I'm gonna draw a curved line for the top, and we're gonna draw a curved line at the side, and it's gonna be a triangular shape with curved lines on all three sides. And on the top right, I'm gonna draw a small oval shape, and I'm gonna fill the rest of that with black color. Now, below the nose in the middle, I'm gonna draw a line downwards, and below that I'm gonna draw his teeth with a line down on the side and across and back up on the right side. And around the teeth, I'm gonna draw a circular line Now I'm gonna trace the same line on the outer portion of that circle. Now for his eyebrow, I'm gonna draw off center at this point right here and draw a curved line outwards right there. And at the outer corner, I'm gonna draw a zigzag line down, and I'm gonna turn it back to the center for the lower line of the eyebrow. and a line in the center. And I'm gonna copy the same thing on the left side as well. And for his eyes, on the left side, I'm gonna draw a curved line from this point, slightly sideways, and turn it downwards. And I'm gonna draw a curved line down for the inner line right here. And for the lower part of the eye, I'm gonna draw across a semicircle line. Now inside of that, I'm gonna draw an oval shape and another oval shape inside of that. Now for the right eye, we're gonna draw the same thing. And below the eyes, I'm gonna draw a dot at this point, and I'm gonna draw around that dot 5 more dots, one on top right there, and then another one at this side. The same goes on the left and on the side for the bottom ones. And we're gonna copy the same thing on the left side. Now above his sunglass, I'm gonna pick this point and draw a curved line up and turn it to the center with a semicircle turn and across a curved line. And on the right side, we're gonna go back down and copy the same shape. And on the center, on top of the cap, I'm gonna draw a semicircle line across and an oval shape at this corner and another one on the right. And at the corner of the sunglass, I'm gonna draw a circle from this point to the side of the face right there, and I'm gonna trace the same line across inside of that shape. So we're gonna copy the same shape on the left side again. Now below his face, I'm gonna draw a curved line from the side and slightly down to the center of the chin. The same goes to the right side. And below that, off center, I'm gonna draw 2 strings on the side, like that. And from the center of that string, I'm gonna draw a curved line to the shoulder and turn it with a semicircle turn at that corner. And we're gonna do the same thing on the left side as well. And then from the corner of that color, I'm gonna draw a curved line out on both sides, and I'm gonna make a turn back in to the center, and from this point I'm gonna draw the side of his outfit with a curved line down and out, and turn it back in, and another curved line right there. And then going back to this upper point, I'm gonna draw a curved line to the center and turn it down all the way to that lower point right there, and I'm gonna draw across to the side a curved line to that point. And at this corner, I'm gonna draw a curved line right there and another one back up. And then below that shape, I'm gonna draw this inner line and trace that line down and to the side at this point, another one below that. And we're gonna repeat the same shape on the left side. Now below the jacket, on both sides, I'm going to draw a line down, a short line, and across a circle, a curved line across. And for the pants, I'm going to draw on the side a curved line down and turn it down, and with a semicircle turn towards the center and back up right there. I'm gonna draw across a curved line for the line between his legs, and we're gonna copy the same thing on the right side as well. And below that, I'm gonna draw a line on both sides and across the curved line right there. And below that, I'm gonna draw extended line on the side and a semicircle turn at the corner on both sides and a curved line in the middle. Now we're gonna copy the same thing on the left side. Now for his arm, I'm gonna draw a curved line right here, down, and a semicircle turn for the tip of the arm and back up right there. And I'm gonna do the same thing on the right side as well. And for his tail, I'm gonna take a point from the side here and draw a curved line out and a sharp turn back in to the lower point right there. And that's all for our tutorial today. I hope you enjoy it and find my lessons helpful. Be sure to like and subscribe to this channel. Also, feel free to drop your requests, suggestions, or any other comments in the comment section below. See you next time.